What's up guys, this is Vikash and you are watching A to Z Guru. And today we will continue jQuery tutorial of part 15. So, so today I will explain you jQuery chaining. So first of all I will tell you that what is jQuery chaining. With jQuery chaining you can chain together action method means chaining allow us to run multiple jQuery method on the same element within a single statement. Okay, jQuery method chaining. So until now we have writing like I gave you so many example. I was using hide or show in particular element. Okay, so now we will use chaining. Okay, so I gave example also the following example chain together the CSS slide up slide down method, the paragraph which ID I took P1 element first change to red color, then so come to the practical session, then you will understand more. Okay, output, what is happening. So first paragraph is becoming red and going slide up and slide down. In paragraph only I am using jQuery 3 methods. Okay, so see the practical. This is the program of chaining. So see, as I told, here I am taking one button, here I am taking one paragraph. Okay, whenever I am clicking this button, then this method, this section is executing. In this section, what is happening? If you will notice that, so in that, so if you will see that in single element, which is the single element, that is paragraph. Okay, so in paragraph only I am using three method, jQuery 3 method. Already I explained about slide up and slide down, but I didn't explain about CSS. That I will explain later. Okay, so see, if you are seeing here I am using three method for one element. Okay, so if you will see the output, what is happening when I am clicking this one. So this paragraph is going first, what is happening, paragraph is becoming red, then slide up and slide down. So see that slide up going and slide down going paragraph. Okay, so if you will see that output, what is happening. So first paragraph is becoming red and going slide up and slide down. In paragraph only I am using jQuery 3 methods. Okay, so that we will see in practical session. So this is the practical. So I hope guys now you are clear with chaining. So basically chaining is nothing but multiple jQuery method we can use for particular element. Okay, so guys, this is all about chaining. So if you have any doubt, so please write in comment section. If you like this video, then please like the video, share this video and subscribe the channel. Thanks guys. And if you want a theory, then I'll give this link in description section, and you can download that code from download button, and you can watch that video from this website also. Okay, so thanks guys.